Safety Critical Software Development Workshop, powered by Tonex.
When systems simply cannot afford to fail, safety-critical software becomes the linchpin of success or disaster. From aerospace and automotive to medical devices and industrial control systems, the software controlling these technologies must meet the highest standards for reliability, precision, and security.
Tonex Safety Critical Software Development Workshop is your opportunity to develop expert-level knowledge in this vital field. This intensive, instructor-led workshop dives deep into the principles, standards, and best practices for building software that performs flawlessly in high-stakes environments. Whether you're designing for compliance with DO 178C, ISO 26262, or IEC 62304, this workshop helps professionals engineer software that saves lives and avoids catastrophic failures.
Audience: Safety Critical Software Development Workshop by Tonex is suitable for embedded software developers, systems engineers and software architects, functional safety engineers, QA, testing professionals in regulated domains, aerospace, automotive, and medical device software teams, compliance officers, and safety managers.
Why attend? Stay ahead of industry safety and compliance expectations. Boost your professional credibility and preparedness for audits. Reduce development risks and prevent late-stage safety issues. Learn from real-world software safety failures and how to avoid them. Access the latest global safety-critical software strategies. Strengthen team capabilities for building dependable systems. Course modules. Module 1, Fundamentals of Safety-Critical Systems. Module 2, Industry Standards and Compliance. Module 3, Hazard and Risk Assessment. Module 4, Software Design for Safety. Module 5, Verification and Validation. Module 6, Maintenance and Change Management.
Ready to build software that absolutely cannot fail? Join Tonex Safety Critical Software Development Workshop to transform your development process and become a safety-critical software expert.
Sign up today to secure your place in the next session.
Request more information. Sign up as a group. Please visit Tonex website, www.tonex.com.